Church of South India carries out its mission based on its mission understanding that expresses its solidarity with the broken communities for a new hope to face the challenges of life among the Dalits and Adivashis in South India. Being a church predominantly consisted of the marginalized community, the church constantly takes the responsibility to support them. The Dalit and Adivashi concerns of CSI felt the need of moving forward from the present mission paradigm among the Dalits and Adivashis by engaging with the issues faced by them with a more theologically sharpened approach and in a comprehensive manner. Hence, the department organizes consultations, workshops, and study groups on issues related to livelihood, cultural, economic, political, and theological concerns of Dalits and Adivashis in India today. Publications on theology, sermons, essays, songs, poems with a specific focus on Dalit and Adivashi concerns is a major part of the work of the department. Leadership training for the Dalits and Adivashi youngsters for women in order to equip them to face the challenges of discrimination has been taken up seriously. We are trying to present a bird's eye view of the objectives and activities of the department in the short video. Fist, Fest and Freedom was the title given for the Dalit and Adivashi Cultural Festival organized by the department on the CSI Formation Day in 2019, which enticed people and enlightened them to raise questions on injustice meted to the marginalized community in India. The fest shows the resilience and resistance that Dalits and Adivashis have. The fest is about the festives they indulge to affirm their identities, and freedom is what they are thriving for. The program, which was filled with enthusiasm and colored with percussions and dances, began outside of the auditorium and continued inside the auditorium. The forms of music and art presented eventually turned out as a tool of resistance to caste-based discrimination and oppression. 80 young theologians of CSI from predominantly Dalit and Adivashi background came together to present their voices, which are the new visions and affirmations of the 21st century theologians from the marginalized communities at the CSI Light Auditorium on the 25th September 2019. 24 of them presented papers and others responded to them, which created a fruitful time of deliberations and suggestions. The seminar was organized to encourage the young Dalit and Adivasi theologians to critically evaluate the Dalit and Adivashi theologies and to help them to articulate relevant Dalit and Adivashi theologies for the current times. A consultation of the problems faced by the Dalit and Adivashi students titled Education Not Educastition From the Exclusion to the Inclusion had been organized at the CSI Light Center in Chennai on 4th and 5th of September 2017 by the department. Reverend Sunil Raj Philip, the director of the Dalit and Adivashi Concerns Department, explained the background of the consultation, drawing the attention of the delegates to the increasing discrimination and exclusion faced by the students of the marginalized communities, resulting in the suicides of many students. The intervention of the church is an urgent need of the hour regarding this issue, even though the institutions of the church are already taking certain measures to help the underprivileged students. The delegates actively participated in the group discussions. Suggestions, pointers, challenges, and explanations, data, real-life stories, and questions came up as a result of these discussions and deliberations. Combating casteism needs the awakening of the victims and efforts of them to strengthen their abilities to stand up against casteism. This program, titled Catch Them Young Caste Can Be Caged, focus on making the Dalit and Adivashi youngsters to realize that even though the casteist ideology is deep-rooted and powerful in its all negative manifestations, the onus is partially on them to fight against the casteism, mainly by equipping themselves to thrive rather than succumbing to the casteist power structure. A synod-level leadership training camp for the Dalit and Adivashi youngsters has been organized by the Dalit and Adivashi Concerns Department of the Church of South India Synod at the CSI Synod Center in Chennai from 28th May 2019. Around 80 youngsters participated in this training camp. Regional level leadership training camps were also organized for the Dalit and Adivashi youngsters. A leadership training camp was organized by the Dalit and Adivashi concerns at the Light to the Blind in Varkala under the Kollam Kottarakara Diocese from 20th to 22nd November 2017 for the Dalit and Adivashi youngsters from the 6 CSI dioceses in Kerala. Kannada Regional Training Program was organized from 6th to 8th November 2018 at the CSI Retreat Center in Dharwad with the partnership of the Council for World Mission and the Karnataka Northern Diocese of CSI. 50 young Dalit and Adivashi youngsters from the CSI Diocese from the Andhra and the Telangana states spent 3 days in leadership training camp hosted by the Rayalaseema Diocese from 2nd to 4th of the February 2018 at the Diocesan Office compound. A leadership training camp was organized by the Dalit and Adivashi concerns at the CSI Engineering College in Ketti in Nilgiris, hosted by the Coimbatore Diocese from 24th to 26th November 2017 for the Dalit and Adivashi youngsters from the 8 CSI dioceses in Tamil Nadu. The leadership training camp for the Dalit and Adivasi youngsters were organized at the diocesan level too. A 2-day leadership training camp was jointly organized by the Dalit and Adivasi Concerns Department of the Synod and the Trichy Tanjore Diocese of CSI at the Bishop's College of Nursing in Dharapuram near Tirupur, Tamil Nadu from 22nd to 23rd of June 2019. Around 200 youngsters participated in this camp. The Karimnagar Diocese of the Church of South India, in partnership with the Dalit and Adivasi Concerned Departments of CSI Synod, organized a leadership training camp for the Dalit and Adivasi youngsters of the diocese. The camp was hosted by the Parakal Mission of the diocese at the Parakal Mission compound from 7th to 8th December 2019. The Vellore Diocese of the Church of South India was keen to have a leadership training camp for the Dalit and Adivasi youngsters of the diocese. The Dalit and Adivasi Concerned Department of CSI Synod celebrated with them to organize a training camp at Chittoor in the Vellore Diocese from 15th to 16th December of 2019. Gender-based discrimination is rampant in India. Among women in India, Dalit women face cruel discrimination based on the caste, and atrocities against them are in alarming rate. The denial of affirmative action from the Dalit who are converted to Christianity makes things worse for the Dalit Christian women. Focusing on the empowering of these Dalit Christian women and instilling self-confidence and self-esteem, a series of leadership training camps were organized. A Dalit and Adivasi Women Leadership Training Camp was organized under the auspices of the Dalit and Adivasi Concerns Department of the Church of South India. The camp was held at CSI Ketti Engineering College in Nilgiris, hosted by the CSI Coimbatore Diocese from 21st to 23rd March 2018. The second phase of the camp was held at the CSI Synod Center in Chennai from 26th to 28th June 2019. The department looks forward to work integrally with the departments of the Synod and thus will make sure the concerned issues will not be isolated. Instead, will be integrated with the several facets of the life of the Church. A writers group which was consisted of pastors, theologians and lay leaders was held at CSI Synod Center and discussed issues related to livelihood, cultural, economic, political and theological concerns of Dalits and Adivashis in India. Theological formulations on Dalit and Adivasi issues was also a thrust of this meeting. A handbook had been prepared as a result of this consultation. The department, in collaboration with the Commission of Dalits of the National Council of Churches in India, organized a seminar titled Prophetic Role of Church Leader in the Midst of Injustice from 25th to 27 July 2018 at the CSI Synod Center in Chennai. The demand of Dalit Christians to be included has become the longest struggle of people in the independent India. As seen in the video, the police of the central government even tried to hush this voice by using water cannons and lathi charge in Delhi. But the struggle continues. The Dalit and Adivasi Concerns Department of CSI is active part of the movement. The department takes this opportunity to express our gratitude to Most Reverend Thomas K. Oman, the moderator of CSI, Right Reverend Vadapalli Prasada Rao, the Deputy Moderator, Reverend Dr. Daniel Ratnakara Sadananda, the General Secretary, and Advocate Robert Bruce, the Treasurer for the Leadership and Help. The Council for World Mission, an evangelical mission in solidarity, helped us to organize programs in the last triennium. We would like to thank all of you who identify with the struggles of Dalits and Adivasis in India. Thank you.